So guys, check this out. This is a little gizmo that I purchased online, and I'll show you the instructions. It's a 5-way switched fused outlet, complete with self-healing fuses, right? So I'll just whip that extra screw out of there, and we'll just have a look inside and I'll show you how it works. Hopefully it'll stay in focus. Okay, so what you've got in here now, if we look at the lid there, you'll see this, right? So you've got these little connector blocks inside, and basically what you do is you feed your positive and your negative from your battery to here, and this then gives you spare capacity for any extra accessories that you add that need a 12-volt supply. So instead of connecting everything to your battery terminals and it becomes a bit congested and messy, you've got these connectors here. Now what you've got here is this. Right hand side, you'll see from the top down, 5 amp 0 volts, 5 amp 0 volts, 1 amp 0 volts. So there are your 3 connections there, right, which can feed off to your accessories. You've got another 2 at the top there. If you look on the case, top left, 5 amp 0 volts, 5 amp 0 volts. So you've got 2 more connections there. They can feed off to accessories. And then down here, you've got your positive and your negative, or your positive and your earth from the battery. Now the middle wire goes off and connects to a switched outlet. So connect an output that is live when the ignition is on, right? So basically what you're doing with that wire there, that's ensuring that this thing only is active when the ignition is on. When you turn the ignition off, the power is shut down to this unit, and it means that any accessories are not going to drain your battery, right? So they're always off, which is really good. But the really clever thing is these are the little yellow self-healing fuses, right? So what it says here on the instructions, the fuses are self-healing. In the event of an electrical short circuit in your accessories, the individual output with the short circuit will shut itself down. Instead of you needing to replace a fuse, simply fix the short circuit, turn the ignition on again, the fuse will have automatically repaired itself and all outlets will be powered up, right? So pretty clever stuff, guys. You've got 5 separate circuits, all with a fuse, self-healing fuse once the short circuit is fixed. And, you know, I've now got extra capacity to fit any extra accessories in the future. And I'm not going to leave like my USB plugged in and drain the battery, which is great. I've already connected the USB, which are those ones coming out there, and now I've got extra capacity for the future. Now this comes from a company called marksmotorcycleparts.co.uk. Again, I've got no connection with them, no kickback, no financial connection. I just like the product, and I'm recommending that if you're looking for something similar, check them out. All right, easy to fit. I've just stuck it on the side of the or on top of the actual ECU there on the side. I don't know if you can see that. It should be all right. Shouldn't affect anything. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you find that useful.